Welcome back to Don'ts for Boys. This is the cat edition, I guess round 2 with Tipsy. So, let's get it started, guys. Don't consent to be put upon a pedestal. The boy who is worthy of notice generally prefers to escape the scare of the curious. Yeah. Don't look to be put on a pedestal, guys. Look to do your work. If you're doing your work, you'll be noticed. Never fail to consult your parents concerning any important step you might be about to take. They are entitled to this confidence. Like the lights? Guys, talk to your parents. They've gone through most of life. They kind of know a few things. They might be able to give you some advice. Don't be too opinionated, or too assertive. Have a mind of your own, but don't throw your opinions around like missiles. Don't forget that you have within you the power to strangle any evil that may assail you. There's a saying that God doesn't give you more than you can handle. And I've often said in response to that, well, then God must think I'm a badass. Yet, here I am still. Don't be bounced. The fellow who buys a pig in a poke is stupid. Yeah, I have nothing for that. Don't belong to the fast set. Be a square chap and game all through, but don't squander time, health, or money. Yeah, I guess. Don't go in too hard for sports. Overplay is as ruinous to health as overwork. Her tail hit me in the eye. I mean, yeah, yeah. Don't decide upon a trade or profession without the hearty consent of your lungs and muscles. If they mutiny, you're done for. I mean, oddly worded, but good, I suppose. Right, Tipsy? Don't be satisfied with everything you do. The moment a boy thinks himself all right, he deteriorates. Guys, pride cometh before the fall. Don't presume on any girl's cordiality. You have no right to much of her time. Yeah, you don't have any right to her time. She's doing you a favor by talking to you. Don't overstay your welcome. If she wants you around, she'll let you know. Don't decide anything upon the spur of a moment. Anything worthwhile is worth thought. I believe that's very true. But I also think you shouldn't discount spontaneity. Don't be self-deceived. You may have more or less in you than you suppose. Don't accept general invitations. When a girl's mother says, "Come and see us," she utters a formula. Go only when a special date is mentioned, if you wish to act properly. Don't pride yourself upon having a talent. Unless you use it successfully, you are possessed of nothing advantageous. Don't expect luck to favor you. Ability is the only thing you can depend upon. I'd also like to add to that, luck favors the prepared. Don't trifle with your constitution. The strongest is breakable. Don't begin your business life with rosette acquisitions. Or rosette anticipations. Yeah, rosette anticipations. Success, like other victories, is found only after hard struggles and many bruises. Guys, experience is the best teacher, but she is a cruel teacher. Don't let work take the ginger out of you. Work like a Trojan, and then play like a 4-year-old. I like that. Don't be indecent either in act or speech, or you may injure others, if not yourself. Don't be indiscreet either in act or speech. Always use as much discretion in everything you do as you possibly can. Don't consider courtesy merely a matter of consistent bows and scrapes. I need to do a whole video on courtesy in order to do this justice. However, courtesy is a two-way street. You're not just bowing and scraping to curry favor with somebody. You're trying to be polite. Don't affect humility. It is 1 degree more objectionable than arrogance. One last page. Don't be buttonholed by everybody. A little reserve in your manner will often save you annoyance from bores. Don't let people get you riled up, guys. Because at the end of the day, you're the one who controls how you feel. Don't ever relinquish that power to anyone else. No one can make you feel bad or little without your consent. Don't spend half you earn upon flowers for thoughtless girls. Before they wither, such maidens forget who gave them. I wish I had known that when I was much younger. Guys, this is Don'ts for Boys, a great book. Basically, what I'm trying to do 100 years ago. 120 years ago. While some of the lessons are good and timeless, some of them are terrible and poorly worded. Some of them are confusing or just mostly discernible. Nonetheless, it's a good read. It's a good read to try and improve yourself with. It's a good read to look at how things have changed in our society. And if something still holds up, there's probably more worth to it than you think. So, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And thank you for helping make this world better. One kerf at a time, and I'll see you next week.